Hello, this is Poonam Shukla. You are for CH028, and this is my 7th lab experiment based on triggers. And here, first question is, first query is I have to create a trigger before. I have to create a trigger on order table if before the update. If I am making any update, so it should show. And its syntax is create trigger name. Trigger this is my trigger name before updating on trigger 1 order 1, and then I'll update, and if I'll update, then this this error will generate. So I'm running my trigger. So if you see, if I run this, see here showing no updation, it's possible if I'm trying to update this query. Next is I have to create a trigger on my supplier table, and if on my supplier table, if I'm deleting before, if I'm deleting, then it should not, if I'm deleting anything from that table, it should not allow it. So if I'm run this trigger, you'll see, yeah, trigger is created, and now if I try to delete it, it's showing it's not allowed to delete. And now my third query is if I'm after deleting of order ID on order 1, means order table, if I'm deleting anything, if I deleted something, so the order ID should means in order quantity, order ID should automatically update to null. But this trigger is created, but this trigger, it's not possible because that I have already created an update trigger on order table. And now my fourth question is basically, it's I have to if I'm updating my customer table, so automatically my update table should order table should update. So here I'm creating triggers before, if I'm updating something on my customer table, and then begin. If my new or customer ID, it's equal to odd, not equal to odd, then update on order 1, then that customer ID means customer ID of order 1 table should equal to the customer ID of new customer ID from order 1. So if I'm running it, trigger created. If I try to insert and this is unique and string, I have to change my order ID. Now it's one row is inserted. This is my order 1. So yeah, so I'll see it's been updated, and you can see here it's been updated. Yeah. So now I'll go to my fifth question, and fifth is basically I have to create a trigger if I inserted something on my customer table. So I have created one more table, customer audit, so that all the value should be inserted on the customer audit table. So here if I'm inserting, then insert on the table name, customer audit values, and whatever I'm inserting into my customer table should be added into my customer audit table. So I'm running this, and it's basically it's created, and now I'm inserting value. I'm gonna change my customer ID. So, yeah, customer ID. That's already used, so that's why it's showing, yeah, when inserted. And now I'll check my customer order table. Yeah, you can see it's already updated, means values inserted. And now the sixth question is basically I have to create a trigger if supply date it's greater than the current date. So what date of today, if it's greater than the supplier table, means on if I'm inserting my the supply date on this supplier table, that it will check from the current date. If it's greater, then it will see. If it's greater, then it will say the wrong date. So I'm inserting this. Sorry, I'm running this trigger. It's created, and so I have given this 20 November date. And if it's if it's this is greater than the date in the supplier table, so that's why it's showing the wrong date error. So this was my trigger 7 database 7th lab experiment.